when he was called to go and perform miracle, he said, no, it's not all the time until I heard from the Father. I will not do so. Take it from verse 4. For no one does anything in secret, while himself seek to be known openly. If you do these things, show yourself to the world. Verse 5. For even his brother did not believe in him. Verse 6. Then Jesus said to them, my time has not yet come, but your time is always ready. That is mean others are always ready to pray. Say, pray for me, they pray. Pray for me, they pray. No, not at our will, but the will of Father.